If you're a knuckle cracker, then you need to hear this. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. Here's the real deal. That popping sound? It's just gas bubbles in your joint fluid bursting. No bones grinding, no damage done. Studies have shown no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. So next time someone gives you grief about your knuckle cracking habit, hit them with the facts. Keep those fingers popping and stay arthritis-free. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay curious and hit subscribe. Follow for more mind-blowing facts.